Ki Nonghikai Skul SSA jong Jylla hakawi ka kenhun jongki ya kebalatip kum kaol Meghalaya SSA Teachers Association haka arterik ubenail ber arjar arpuar kalami pajba ban penlong da ka Jingiaid pajba akum kedak jong ka jing pensngau syaki bor sarkar halor ka jing dawa jongki ban siuno ya kebainong tre jongki kebala sakut mentah hadu san benai kenti
No salary! No salary! No salary! No salary! Contract Sangma!
Down, down! Down, down! Down, down! Down, down! Down, down! Contract Sangma! Down, down! Contract Sangma! Down, down! Contract Sangma! Down, down! And the government! Down, down!
Kini ke Jingiaid pajba jong ki Nonghikai Skul ke Jylla kala long ke Iakhih ke bakham he kat adu bagi kali ki badai yat na surok jong sor shelong ki la sakut babat kala don ke jing dheng kali ke bajur
Down, down! Down, down! Down, down! BJP! Down, down! BJP! Down, down! BJP! Down, down! Salary! Salary! Salary!
Salary! Salary!
Down, down! Down, down! Down, down! Down, down!
MJ government! BJP! BJP! MPP! MPP! UDP! No salary! MJ government! Contract Sangma! Contract Sangma! Contract Sangma! Lakbaran boy!
Hadin bagi bor sarkar gilawan bantem ya kini ke Jingiaid lakhot iki nong yalam ban lej ekren bat menteri ketenat pulih putih ke sarkar Jylla ubak lakmen remboi
Indra show education minister, we want the release of all the 5 months salary. If kai ke Bang Indra show education minister, kalong Bang Indra keren ba un pelait ya ka salary jongi baro sandrai. Piang em kata? Tingin sa sengap kai ke bana kaliang jong ka government kadon banong ka bay day pat kanika. Benta hadin bangila wan bani kendo yo education minister ngin wan biang bat ngin penseo happy kai ke bami nakajing keren
hadin kete ke jing lej ekren bat upte menteri ubak Aristotle rembai kumunong yalam ula penpau bau menteri ula ong bag sarkar ya menta kamla ban siu ya barok san benai Henry kansi shwa tang ar benai bat ya kilai benai ki bedangsa ka sarkar kan sapej pat onda kalayo ya ke sanction na ka sarkar pedang Habayo penya keren bat utiu nong yalam ula ong ba ya menta umpat la banong lakin sange no ya kene ke Jingiaid ne kindang beteng namar kimpat yo ya ke jing dawa jongki
Yeah, we will walk this way. How many times we will have to come here?
Siap dia mah. Halo. Siap. Yes, sama. Just go. Ko kumangil aja kong menta nakalian jong government nakalian education minister kila invite yang info job. Kali ni hapan burong ya kae ka ba nakalian jong Now he kade namar pa government kam khot yakren. Okay? Why we are here today? Because the government forced us to be here. Since the last few months, we have continued our protest, so there is no invitation from the government for a talk. So I have informed just now, a few minutes back, we have received a message from the magistrate that the education minister invite us for a talk. So we as a leader, we have decided to go and meet him and let us see what he have to say from his end. Okay? Biang Bangin lay kendong ngin snap ka ba ka sarkar ka don banong ha ka bay day bat ka ni ka benta Okay, the outcome of our meeting with the Honorable Education Minister, there are two things. Okay, first one, he have agreed to release our 2 months salary. That is for the month of October and November. That is from the capping norms. During the meeting, he have informed us that the finance department have agreed in principle to release from the capping norms out of 100 crores to release some amount so that the government will be in a position to pay our salary for 2 months, that is from October to November. And for the remaining 3 months, that is from December, January and February, the Honorable Education Minister have assured us that once he received the second installment from the Government of India, immediately he will release the pending 3 months. That is the outcome of the meeting.
So are you satisfied with the outcome of the meeting?
As of now, we cannot say any decision we will take in a multi-playground.
So what will be your next course of action after this meeting?
As I have mentioned just now, final decision we will taken collectively in the multi-playground.
Any other demands discussed?
No, today we have discussed specific for salary issues only.
No, but how do you term this, the outcome of the meeting with the Education Minister?
Yeah, at least today outcome with the Education Minister, we may say at least it is there is a little bit of development, we may say, because for the past 5 years there is no response from the government side. So he from his side is informed us that today itself from the finance department they have agreed in principle to release some amount so that the government will be in position to release our salary for 2 months, that is for the month of October and November.
So the government will...
Any indication? Cái Jingiaid trong Skul còn lại ở đây cái Tulop.
For that, I think the best person to answer for that queries for that is the Education Minister. You can ask from him what is the problem of the government to release our pending salary.
So the government will immediately release the 2 months salary?
Yeah, he's assured us that once the money comes from the finance department, he will release it at the earliest possible. It may take around 1 week.
So will you put again an ultimatum for the government to release all the pending salary?
During the course of discussion, whatever have from his side, whatever have informed us, he have assured us that once they receive the second installment,